Why are so many young people today more anxious, lonely, and emotionally overwhelmed? Despite being more connected than ever before? What if the very technology designed to connect us is quietly changing our mental health? In this video, I'm breaking down powerful ideas and my personal reflections from The Anxious Generation by Jonathan Haidt. This book explores how smartphones, social media, and changes in childhood have deeply affected mental health, especially for younger generations. The main message of this book is, we shifted from a play-based childhood to a phone-based childhood. Now, many spend more time online than in real life, and it's affecting anxiety, self-esteem, focus, and emotional health. One of the biggest ideas in the book is that constant social media exposure affects the brain and emotions. Comparison, validation, and endless scrolling can increase stress and insecurity. Limit unnecessary screen time. Stop comparing your life to curated online content. Take regular breaks from social media. Your mental health improves when your attention becomes healthier. Humans are built for real-world interaction. Face-to-face conversations, outdoor play, and real experiences help build emotional strength. Spend more time offline. Prioritize real relationships. Engage in activities outside the screen. Real experiences create real confidence. The book explains something surprising. Many children are overprotected in the real world, but underprotected online. As a result, they miss opportunities to develop independence and resilience. Growth requires challenge. Allow yourself to try difficult things. Accept discomfort as part of growth. Build confidence through experience. Confidence is built, not given. Apps and platforms are designed to keep your attention. Constant notifications and scrolling reduce focus and increase mental exhaustion. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Create phone-free periods during the day. Practice deep focus without distractions. Protecting your attention protects your peace. Late-night scrolling affects sleep, and poor sleep increases anxiety. Avoid screens before bed. Better sleep improves emotional resilience. Technology itself is not the enemy. The problem is imbalance. Use technology intentionally. Spend more time in nature and movement. Build meaningful offline connections. Create moments of silence and reflection. Balance creates emotional stability. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: we need to become more conscious about how technology affects our emotions, focus, and relationships. The goal isn't to reject technology, it's to use it without letting it control us. The Anxious Generation reminds us, mental health is shaped by how we live daily. Protect your attention. Protect your relationships. Protect your peace. If this message resonated with you, comment "Take back control" below as a reminder to protect your mind and attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this message today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.